Planet Wet Diaper Tote Bag, AIM Twill, large by Planet Wise, is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. These machine washable, waterproof bags are perfect for carrying your wet and dirty items. Planet Wise wet bags are innovatively sewn with hidden, sealed seams for no leaking. Planet Wise wet bags also resist most odors and stains, keeping smells in. Available in 3 sizes: small 7.5 inches by 10 inches, medium 12.5 inches by 16 inches, and large 17 inches by 21 inches. Large size comes with snap handle. Made in USA. Innovative, patent pending, leak-free design resists most odors and stains, keeping smells in. Antimicrobial, PVC and lead-free with locking zipper. Designer cotton outer with coordinating waterproof inner. Machine wash warm, tumble dry, lower hang to dry, no bleach or softeners.